to add a dynamically updated date on a WordPress page or post. The simplest way is through the use of WordPress plugins. The best plugin I found was a plugin called WP Date and Time Shortcode. WP Date and Time Shortcode allows you to use shortcode in a theme builder, such as the Divi theme builder. What results is an outputted date that changes based on the day and time. So there is documentation for this plugin. So WPDTS, the main shortcode which works with all attributes, equals to WPDTS date time by default. The one I use is WPDTS date, which is just the default date format